I will show step by step how to use the Shadcn UI table component using Vite and JavaScript. To get started, set up your React app with Shadcn UI installed. If you don't have the project already set up, I have another video on my channel that shows you the exact step-by-step process of how to set up a React app using JavaScript and Vite. Once you have your React app set up, it should look like this. Going back to the docs, go to this page and scroll down and copy this command. Inside your project, paste the command that we just copied to install the table component. From the docs, we can copy the code here to display the same table that's being displayed in the documentation. Erase all the existing code and paste in the code that we just copied. There are some changes we need to make. The first change is to remove export here, and at the bottom of this file, just type in export default app and also rename this to app. The second change we will make is to add some more rows to this invoices array. I will copy the existing rows and just paste it twice here. Save all the changes we made, and inside the terminal, just run npm run dev to start the React app. Looking at the React app, we can now see the Shadcn table component. If we adjust the size of the screen, we can see that the table is responsive. And if we scroll down, we can now see all the different rows. That is the end of this tutorial. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content.